Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix input not support error on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So guys, let's start the video. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7. So guys, in this video, we will know that how to fix input not support error in Windows 10. So guys, let's start the video. Right click on taskbar and after that click here task manager option, and after that guys click here file, click here new task, and type here under open box ms config and check this checkbox and click here ok button, and after that guys click here boot option and select here this save boot option and select here this base video option. Check this checkbox and click here apply, and then click here ok button and click here restart. So guys, now window you are in safe mode. So guys, after that click here this desktop and right click here display setting, and select here your display size. Okay, you can see here your Windows display size is 1024768. Okay, you can see here, and click here advanced display setting. Note this size. Okay, 1024 is equal to 768. Note this size and close this window. And after that guys, click here, right click here start button and click here run, and type again ms config and click here ok button, and after that guys click here boot option and uncheck this safe boot option. Okay, and click here apply, and then click here ok button. Restart your window, login again. So guys, after that click here on desktop, right click on it and click here display setting, and select here display size 1280720 and click here keep changes and close this window and check your problem is fixed or not. So guys, if your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.